Here's a 2016 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.